guys, it's Jamie with Not2 Shabby, and I'm super excited. Today is release day. We have a hop and giveaway going on. So to follow the hop, click the hashtag N2S Fall Sunshine. That will bring up all the videos in this hop. You can hop to each video, leave a comment, like and subscribe if you like what you see. When you're done hopping, come back to my Rafflecopter link that's in the description box and enter into the giveaway. I'll be announcing the winner for the hop on the 14th. You can click on the Rafflecopter link to see who the winner was, or check my community tab here on YouTube. The upcoming boxes are amazing. So we have another fall box coming out in September, and then we have our 2 holiday boxes coming out. So if you want to get on the subscription, join the Box of the Month Club. When you head on over to the shop, there'll be a drop-down menu on the listing. You'll choose monthly for your frequency, and that will get you a 5% discount on your box, and you'll get your box shipped to you every 30 days from the date you purchased. Check the listing description box for more details. Don't forget, today we are releasing our stamp and die of the month, plus our new papers for the Paper Pad Club. You'll find those listings under the subscription page on the website. I do have some of the items listed individually. You'll find them under the Not Too Shabby section in the shop. But the best deal is if you purchase the whole box, because the whole box is discounted. Plus, you'll get an additional 5% off if you join the Box of the Month Club. So don't forget to choose monthly before checkout. You can also save 18% off the stamp and die of the month and the Paper Pad Club papers if you join the club. I'm going to start off sharing the Slimline Paper Pad. It is just super cute. I love this color palette. It's called Pumpkin Marshmallow. I'm not going to flip through it in great detail because you can go back to my previous video to see it in great detail. But here's a quick flip through. Beautiful colors and beautiful patterns that match the coordinating ephemera perfectly. So here's one of the cards that I created using the papers and the ephemera. I did use a stamp, warm drink, cold day, for the sentiment, and I love that sentiment. Happiness is a hot drink on a cold day. Artwork is by JCL Design Studio, and I just love how she drew these mugs. They're just so cute. And look at the card I created. So it's a slimline card. I paper pieced those cups. They're nice and big, perfect for paper piecing. And then I paired it up with the ephemera. So I just love how this turned out. I think it's so stinking cute, and I can't wait to see what you create with this. So all the paper piecing was done with the paper from the Slimline Paper Pad, and I just love the sentiments that come in the stamp set. May your life be filled with overflowing hot chocolate. Like, how cute is that? So I'm going to dig into the ephemera. I won't go into great detail, but I will lay out some of the ephemera for you so you can see how cute it is. I just love the cute little faces on the cups. The color palette is super cute. Those cute little squirrels have a heart that says fall. And then there's this cute marshmallow hot cocoa candle. I just love that. It sounds like it would smell amazing. Did you see that cute acorn with the face? How cute is that? So let's move on to the next set of cards that I did. I had so much fun doing these cards. So I used the Fall Sunshine Paper Pad with the ephemera paired up with this cute stamp set. The next stamp set features bears from Last Minute Manda, artwork by Whimsical Inklings. Oh, I just love these bears. They are just so cute. And paired up with the ephemera, I thought they looked super cute. So I love how those turned out. To get a better details on how I did those cards, go back to my previous video. So you get 4 cute bears and the sentiments that read Hello Sunshine, Hello Fall, and Hello Pumpkin, or you can use the words on their own, like if you just want to use hello, like I did on one of my cards. The cute little bear with the bow and the flowers can be used any season, so you could pair that up with just the word hello or the word Hello Sunshine and use that throughout the year. And the Paper Pad Fall Sunshine is absolutely gorgeous. Love, love the yellows on the sunflowers. I'll do a little flip through here. There's lots of gingham or buffalo plaid. Really super cute. Some jars, some stripes. This page here is absolutely gorgeous. I'll show you the other two cards that I did with this page here. So this one I inlaid with a square stackable die. I did some faux stitching. I did some glossy accents on this sentiment here, which is from the last stamp set that I'll be sharing. So this is a really pretty stamp set as well. This is called Bloom with Grace, and I just love the sunflowers, the big sentiments. So the one for this I used says, "When you grow wild, you bring life and beauty to all that surrounds you." The other sentiment says, "Wherever life plants you, bloom with grace." Then we've got "Thankful for you" and "Hello Friend." Got a nice little pumpkin with a sunflower. And then this one here with the line is really pretty. Let me show you. I did stamp it out. I haven't done a card with it yet, but you can get an idea. So I just wanted to play around with the placements of this, so you can flip the stamp over to create the bottom and put your sentiment on the inside. So I thought that was really neat. So let's continue with this paper pad. Really nice chalkboard look on this one. The white background with the yellow polka dots. Really pretty pumpkins and sunflowers. Really pretty spray. And then the jar with the little cluster at the bottom. Love this one, this pattern here. I think someone said it was called crosshatch pattern. And then this one here is really pretty with the jars. And then your patterns do repeat. Some pages might be missing because I did use them on my cards. So let me just flip through the whole thing here. So you do get 4 of each. And then the really, really pretty ephemera. So I did use just the ephemera on my last card. So I'll show you how that looks. But I'll just spread them out so you can get an idea. I used this one here. You get several of those in your pack. So carries the card very nicely. A welcome. There's some little birdhouses, some wreaths, little wagons. Love that one. And some jars with sunflowers. Really pretty. I did use quite a few pieces on my cards. And then here's the last one. That beautiful page in the background. And then that nice big blessed sentiment with the pumpkin and sunflowers. So really cute. So just love how my cards turned out. And it was so much fun creating with this kit. So if you run on over to the shop and grab your box and you want to join the club, don't forget to choose the monthly for your frequency. You can purchase it as a one-time purchase, just don't choose the monthly. Let me share really quickly the new paper pads. So we have a Just Grilling and Pink Roses. So I'll flip through this really quickly, but I will do a separate video on these two. Really lovely designs, and you get some cutouts in here to use on your card fronts. So just really cute, picnicky, summery patterns in here. Really, really cute. So there's 2 pages of the, so there's 2 different cutouts. So you have plenty. So you have this one. This paper pad, you get 2 of each design. So you'll have plenty to make some really cute cards. And then the pink roses. So really pretty. the green, the pink, and the red. Just lovely, just lovely. Love this mixed with roses. It's just so pretty. And you do get 4 of each design. And then for our stamp and die of the month, we've got these really cute little cows from Last Minute Manda. And I just think they're hilarious. So we have cows with barbecue food. There is a coordinating die if you choose the stamp and die of the month. The die does come on a magnetic sheet, and it also cuts out all the sentiments. So I started coloring up these cute little cows. So I will show my card on the 7th. We're going to do a hop for the stamp of the month on the 7th, so be sure to check that out. So here are all my cards. I hope you guys enjoyed them. If you want to see the process for each one, go back to my previous videos. They were just so fun to make. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the hop. Click that hashtag to find all the videos. I can't wait to hop along and see what the other design team members created. So thank you guys, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.